Ano nga ba ang mga treatments na ginagawa para sa acne conglobata? So, number 1 guys is isotretinoin. Binibigay ito sa acne conglobata because number 1, meron siyang sebosuppressive action. Ibig sabihin ay nire-reduce niya ang pag-produce ng over-excessive or napakaraming sebum or oil sa ating mga hyperactive sebaceous glands and because of its anti-inflammatory effects. So, pag binibigay ito guys, usually ito ay nangangailangan ng 6 to 12 months or even longer than that kasi guys, sa acne conglobata can be a chronic or pangmatagalan na process. And usually makaka-notice tayo ng around 70 to 90% improvement and makikita natin ang improvement from 4 to 6 months of starting the treatment. And about 50% of patients with acne conglobata na nag-undergo ng treatment na ito ay nakaka-experience ng pangmatagalang complete remission. Ibig sabihin, nag-heal po talaga siya or nag-clear out po talaga siya. And about 20 to 30% of patients ay nagre-relapse. Ibig sabihin, bumabalik po after clearing if nahinto po ang treatment na ito prematurely. Number 2 guys is oral corticosteroids. So usually ginagamit ang treatment na ito kasama ng isotretinoin for acute flares. So pag nagkakaroon ng paglala ng acne, after starting isotretinoin, ginagamit ang mga oral corticosteroids to suppress inflammation. So usually ang binibigay natin is prednisone. It can be given to a patient for 1 week and can even last up to 4 weeks depende po kung gaano kalala or depende sa need ng patient. So in terms of efficacy guys, 50 to 70% improvement ang makikita natin and makikita nyo na itong improvement na to within 2 to 4 weeks of starting the treatment. Number 3 guys is systemic antibiotics. So ginagamit ito para ma-address yung mga bacteria na namumuo sa ating mga sinus tract cysts and nodules sa acne conglobata. Pero most of the time guys, hindi enough ang oral antibiotics as a standalone because of the biofilm formation. So in terms of efficacy guys, no, may mga pasyente na hindi po talaga at all nagre-respond sa systemic antibiotics. And if mag-respond pa yung patient sa antibiotics, then nakakakita sila around 20 to 40% improvement. And usually, improvements can be seen after 4 to 8 weeks. So usually, ang mga antibiotics na pwedeng ibigay is clindamycin, coamoxiclav, and for more chronic treatments, guys, it's doxycycline to name a few. And yung mga hindi talaga nagre-respond na acne conglobata considered as resistant cases, then we can consider number 4, yung ating mga biologics. So yung mga halimbawa nito is yung ating mga anti-TNFA or tumor necrosis alpha, which is your adalimumab and also your infliximab. And if your acne conglobata is part of your autoinflammatory genetic syndromes, so you can consider the anti-interleukin-1 anakinra. So in terms of efficacy, base sa mga case series and reviews, nakakakita ng 75% improvement or more ang mga pasyente within 8 to 12 weeks of starting the treatment. And biologics are particularly effective in patients with overlapping hidradenitis suppurativa. Number 5 guys is surgical approach. So dito po, pumapasok po yung surgeon and nagkakaroon po ng incision and drainage po ng malalaking cysts. Kasi guys, kailangan talaga tanggalin yung mga nana and namuong mga organic material doon sa loob ng cysts. Kasi hindi po talaga siya gagaling hanggat nandoon po yung mga organic material na yun. And also kung may mga widespread scarring and also by drainage or mga lumalabas na material spontaneously sa ating mga face, baka may presence po tayo ng sinus tracts and kailangan po i-excise or tanggalin ang mga sinus tracts na ito. And yung ating additional supportive measures, pwede po tayong gumamit ng zinc, dapsone, and also low glycemic index diet. And lastly guys is psychological support kasi these conditions, according to studies guys, can negatively impact the mental health condition of a certain patient. And also guys, alam naman natin, kung medyo stressed si patient, no, it may also affect or influence the hormonal levels or balance of the patients, thereby also contributing to more flares of acne conglobata. Kaya very important po talaga ang psychological support during this treatment. Alright guys, so I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!